So today I'm gonna go through a few recipes that I love to eat, especially to boost my immune system, and why it is important to keep our immune system up and running, especially during a pandemic. I know we are all stuck at home, we are all in quarantine, and we are all at home most of the time getting bored. But I'm telling you, getting that food and junk food into your body just because we are bored is not the best thing that we can do now. We need our body and our immune system to be up and running and super strong. You don't want to wake up in the morning and feeling sluggish and going, oh my God, I'm gonna have another day sitting on the couch and I don't have energy to do anything. No, we want to wake up, even if we're stuck at home, vibrant and energetic, ready to do stuff that we haven't done in such a long time, like picking up a new hobby, painting or dancing, or even, I don't know, reading different books, but with that open mind, fresh and vibrant and awake. We don't want to feel tired all day. Number two, we want our immune system and body to be stimulated. Why do we want it to be stimulated? Because we want it to be ready to fight anything that comes around, viruses or anything like that come around. You don't want your body to just think about, hang on a second, I'm gonna fight that virus later because now I gotta think about digestion. No, we want that body and that mind and that immune system to be super duper ready for battle. Number three, most important thing, we want to recover quickly. But enough of this. I told you that I was going to share with you a couple of recipes and what I eat in a day, even during these times. As I said, I'm very much a big advocate for healthy eating, also because, especially as a dancer, I need to think as an athlete and I need my body to be strong and to be reactive, even if injuries may occur. So here we go. I'm gonna start with the first thing I love the most, which is smoothies. I have to mention though, sometimes I do wake up, I don't really have breakfast. I love having a nice cup of coffee, doing my workouts, and then probably eat something later on. I'm not so much of a big eater in the morning, but I love having my coffee or even a little bit of warm water with lemon. It's perfect for reactivating the body in the morning. So the first one I've put together, one of the many smoothies that I've put together, I don't do this every single day. So be mindful about that. I know there's probably ingredients that you might not be able to eat or you're allergic to, or for whatever reason. This is what I personally eat in a day, on a random day, and I'm just sharing it with you. So my favorite things for smoothies, I have to tell you, is banana. Banana is one of my favorite fruits. It's got a lot of potassium, magnesium. It's good for the muscles and good for recovering whenever you've done a workout. I love avocado. It's packed with vitamins and good fats and fibers. Obviously, you know that our brain is made of mostly fats, so we need to feed it as well. I love to add oat milk. I don't eat any dairies. And plus I added blueberries and acai berries. Acai berries are brilliant also. Even blueberries, they are antioxidants. They've got a lot of vitamin A, calcium, potassium, iron, everything that you can think of. And obviously I miss half of it. It's a great kick for the morning. And also if you're working out, you might want to add a spoon of vegan proteins, and they're perfect to rebuilding all the muscles, because we know that once we work out, our muscle fibers rip. So we need the proteins to get it back together. So it's like a little man going around and going, sewing things together. So let's think of proteins like that. We go then into lunch. Lunch, I love, again, keeping my mind active and running, and so I don't really eat that much unless I'm working out like crazy, and therefore I have a big lunch. But usually, especially whenever we're stuck at home, sun is shining outside, we like to feel awake. So what I love to have is a salad, a big salad. No, don't think like rabbit food, think like a big packed salad. So we go with spinach. Is perfect for vitamin K, A, C, iron, you name it, it's got it. It's green, yes, and it's got fibers, and it's like Popeye the Sailor Man. That's why I ate spinach. Lots of goodies. Red carrots, they are perfect. I love red carrots. They're a bit weird. They're sometimes hard to find, but it fights inflammation. So once you find antioxidant, anything that can be good for inflammation, especially like me, you know, you go on with age and all your joints start to ache at a certain point. So it's good to give it goodies and to find anything that can fight inflammation. Then we've got tofu. Tofu is perfect, again, for your proteins. Be really careful with proteins though, because it can be harsh on your kidneys. Good amount of proteins, not over the top. Like anything, it's good to have a balance. I love to add also chia seeds, which are fantastic on omega-3 fatty acids. So let's add chia seeds in there. Pumpkin seeds as well, good for the heart, and they are packed with goodies. Love also to have, you can either have a little bit of lemon, because my husband is not so much a big fan of balsamic vinegar. So for him, I made one with squeezed lemon inside. So it's good for the guts, it's good for the immune system. Again, I'm very big on balsamic vinegar. I love it because it's good also for digestion. And a spoon of olive oil and a pinch of salt just to add it all up and give it a nice taste all together. So this is my packed with vitamins and goodies salads. Yeah, I told you it wasn't going to be rabbit food. And then for dinner, again, if you want something so heartwarming, because we think, oh my God, you know, dinner, I'm just gonna have a big bowl of pasta. No, pasta is heavy for you. We want to get rid of things that once we go to bed, our body can't digest, and therefore after that you're gonna stay awake and have nightmares all night. No, we don't want that. We still want our body to be able to rest throughout the night. So for heartwarming, I love having a good potato mash, but it's a bit of a potato mash with a twist, because I wanted to add sweet potatoes, which are beautiful for adding fibers as well as carbs that we get from the other potatoes, but also promotes gut health. It's an orange mashed potato. What else would you like? I love to also, to make it creamy, to add a little bit of oat milk and a pinch of salt. Also, I love to steam the veggies because it keeps all the vitamins in. It just doesn't boil and get red into the water that we're boiling in it. Also, don't chuck away the water I use to steam them in. I re-chuck them in, mash it all in, and so it gives it that creaminess that we love from a potato mash. Good for the heart, good for the soul, good for the taste buds. And as I said, I love to have a little bit of onion slightly browned in a pan with a spoon of olive oil, and then adding the mushrooms, which is perfect for proteins. The aubergines is high in antioxidants and fibers. Spinach, we've been there. Popeye the Sailor Man, brilliant for your overall body and immune system. And that's pretty much it. Oh, I love to also add fresh herbs like thyme and rosemary. They're brilliant, and if you wanted to add a little bit of edge to it, you can add stock cube. So it just gives all that nice flavor, and you just leave it there with low heat to cook all together. So this is pretty much what I eat in a random day, but it's perfect to keep your immune system up. There are so many good foods that we can use, so many good combinations that we can have, and this is only one of the many. And I know it's probably overwhelming. You go, oh my God, there are so many things that you've said, but I wanted to invite you, if you want to know more about this, and if you want to know more how to change habits and how to introduce new healthy and good habits into your life, into your daily routine, come and join me for the free masterclass, which I'm gonna link up here and down in the box below, to know everything that you need to do and you need to know on nutrition, habits, and how to make it all happen, even without going to the gym. Because let's face it, we are at home and we can do so many beautiful things for our body, our health, especially now. So look after yourself, look after your body, look after your immune system, but especially put a smile on your face so we can trick our mind to think that we are happy and we've got lots of space around. I've got a balcony, I'm stuck here, but I'm getting on my balcony and getting as much as vitamin D as possible. Good for the mind, health and soul. For the rest of the day, my darling lazy dancers, enjoy everything that you haven't done in a long time. Take this time for yourself and love yourself like never before. Come and check out the free masterclass I've got. I can't wait to tell you all about nutrition and how to get new habits into your life. Lots of love to you all. Ciao!